Well, what if we can change our genes? What if our genes are changing all along? Let me give you an example. There's something called epigenetics, and it is the science of how the beliefs of the ancestors are handed down generationally into the offspring. And what that means is this. I'll give you an example. They take mice, and by the way, they did human studies as well, but this is a great example. They took mice, and I don't approve of this way of going about it, but it's just the way that things are. They take mice, and they take these mice, and they introduce the smell of like cinnamon or vanilla to them. And as soon as they do, they give the mouse a little shock, give the mouse a little bit of pain. They do this over and over again until pretty soon they don't even have to shock the mouse. All they have to do is introduce the smell, and the mouse goes into a panic. The mouse goes into the fear mode, fight or flight. Well, here's the interesting thing. 10, 15, 20 generations down the road of the offspring, the babies who never had anything to do, were never around those ancestors, all they had to do was introduce the smell of vanilla or cinnamon to them, and that mouse would go into panic. That mouse would go into fight or flight, which means that in the genetics, the makeup of that individual was changed. You know, you might call it evolution or whatever, but you got to look at it that we do change as human beings. Humans have changed over time, and lots of things have changed over time. So the question is, do I have to wait generations to make it happen? Well, the answer is no. We can make changes, and we do it all the time.